English teacher.
Hello, my friends. Today, we will read my diary and answer some questions together. My name is Sarah, and today I want to tell you a secret about me. I am an English teacher, and I love my job. I like to help people learn and feel confident. I also do volunteer work at an animal shelter. I help dogs and cats that need love. They are cute, funny, and sometimes very noisy. But here is the curious part. I have superpowers. Yes, real superpowers. Some of them are still new, and I am learning how to use them better. I chose to be a teacher because I love helping people, and sometimes I use my powers to help my students. Don't worry, only a little. My favorite power is talking to animals. I can understand them, and they can understand me. They tell funny things, and they are very honest. Animals are amazing friends. When I was a child, I knew I was different. I could feel it. I had powers, but I did not know how to use them. With time, I learned more and more. I have supervision. I can see a tiny ant far away carrying a piece of sugar. I have super hearing, too. In class, I can hear everyone at the same time and still understand all of them. I have super memory. This is great for study, but bad for my old, embarrassing moments. Sadly, I remember them all. I can also turn invisible and give my powers to someone for a short time. I once gave courage to my friends before a class presentation. It worked. People think my life is perfect because of my powers, but that is not true. I am a normal young woman. I have fears and insecurities just like everyone else. When I feel insecure, my powers get weaker. Feelings are very powerful too. So what did I learn from this? Powers are cool, but kindness is better. Helping others, being honest, and believing in yourself are the real superpowers. Even without magic, we can all make a difference. That's all for today. See you next time, dear diary. Now it's quiz time. Let's test your knowledge about the story. Question 1. Why does Sarah say her life is not perfect, even with superpowers? A. Because she still has fears and insecurities. B. Because her powers do not work at all. Answer: A. Because she still has fears and insecurities. Question 2. Why is talking to animals Sarah's favorite power? A. Because animals are honest and make her feel understood. B. Because animals help her do her homework. Answer: A. Because animals are honest and make her feel understood. Question 3. What can we understand about Sarah's choice to be a teacher? A. She wants to show her powers to everyone. B. She likes helping people feel confident. Answer: B. She likes helping people feel confident. Question 4. What problem does Sarah's super memory bring to her life? A. She forgets important things. B. She remembers embarrassing moments too well. Answer: B. She remembers embarrassing moments too well. Question 5. What happens to Sarah's powers when she feels insecure? A. They become weaker. B. They become stronger. Answer: A. They become weaker. Question 6. What is the main message Sarah wants to share at the end of her diary? A. Superpowers are the most important thing in life. B. Kindness and helping others matter more than powers. Answer: B. Kindness and helping others matter more than powers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time, my friends. Bye!